Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a sizzling hot topic that is bound to spice up your life: the carnivore diet, how it can boost your erections naturally. Yes, you heard that right. So stick around because we've got some meaty insights, fun facts, and delicious tips to keep you watching to the very end of this video. Now, you might be thinking, how can eating just meat possibly affect my performance in the bedroom? Well, we're going to break it all down for you, from the science behind it to some mouth-watering recipes and even some real-life success stories. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a carnivore diet? Simply put, it's a diet where you eat only animal products: meat, fish, eggs, and some dairy. The idea is to cut out all plant-based foods and focus solely on nutrient-dense animal products. Sounds pretty wild, right? Maybe. But why would anyone do this? Well, people swear that the health benefits rather, weight loss, mental clarity, and even improved autoimmune conditions. But today, we are zooming in on how this diet can potentially enhance erections. Alright, let's get into the juicy stuff of this video. Literally, how can a meat-heavy diet boost your erections? It all comes down to key nutrients found in animal products: zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are crucial for testosterone production and blood flow. Testosterone and good blood circulation are essential for erectile function. Studies have shown that diets high in these nutrients can lead to improved testosterone levels and better blood vessels health. In other words, better blood flow means better erections. That's it. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some studies and real life testimonials. One study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids had better erectile function. And zinc is a superstar for testosterone production. Here's what Mark had to say. He said, "I've been on the carnivore diet for 6 months now. Not only do I feel more energetic, but I've also noticed a significant improvement in my erections. It's been a game changer." So let's also check out a couple of more success stories. Here's one from Jake. After just 3 months on the carnivore diet, my energy levels and erections have improved significantly. It's amazing, I said. So there you have it. While more research is always welcome, there is some compelling evidence that the carnivore diet could help boost your erections naturally. As always, do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before making any major dietary changes. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button on this video for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments if you've tried the carnivore diet and what your experiences have been. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you next time.